everyone, it's finally time to reveal our nursery for our baby girl Nairobi Serenity. So we've been working on our nursery since March of this year, and she's due in August. And the whole concept is based off of our daughter's name, Nairobi Serenity.
Which is a goddess.
Yes, she is. So we wanted to keep everything very calm and serene. And so we stuck to neutral colors and lots of golds and nudes and white. So we stuck to very neutral colors and added in some gold and white tones. And we started with the floors and the wallpaper, and my husband laid them down.
I'm picking out the actual wooding pattern, right? So I think she got it from Etsy, the idea.
Yes, I got the idea from like Etsy and also Pinterest.
I went to Home Depot, I looked around, found something that was close to what we were looking for. Because the rest of the house is tile floor. So this is the only room in the house that actually has that wooden look to it. Once we had the wallpaper and once we had the floor down, we moved into the customizations of the room. The customization started with Nairobi's name, which is the big cursive name you see written out. And her name is like highlighted in gold. And when Kim shot it to me and I saw it, I was like, yeah, this is gonna be, that's the doorbell. This is going to be the signature look of the room. And I was kind of upset because when we got the name, I was like, yo, I could do this myself. Like, it was what?
No, you can't.
I could do it myself.
Oh, God.
All it was really, right? And I don't want to hate on Etsy, whoever we got this from. It was
48-hour monogram. Right. Thank you.
So 48-hour monogram. Not hating on y'all, but I'm just saying, I could cut out a name in wood, paint it gold, and ship about for the 200 bones if need be. So I would say the concept, the foundation of the room, which is the wallpaper, the floor, and the name turned out very well. Wouldn't you say?
I would definitely say that.
Also have pieces in the room that are that were also custom, but it's a little different type of custom. A lot of I would say the signs that are on the walls, the floral flowers above the closet. Also, which I think is one of the best pieces in the room, are the pictures. So we have these, 18 by 27 canvas. We have 4 of them. So Kim took some maternity pictures, and who did you do the pictures with?
So we took some photos with Needy Para. Those were our maternity and family photos. And she's based in Miami, and we decided to incorporate them into our nursery and place them on canvases and place them around her room.
Right, and in order to get them on canvases, I reached out to my boy MB, which is Nick Belly. Nick Belly Graphics, if you ever heard of him, he does album covers, he does a lot of big time artwork. He did me the pleasure of taking these beautiful pictures by Needy Parter, and he sublimated them onto a 18 by 27 canvas. And like you said again, I think it was an awesome feature in the room. I think it stands out more than a lot of different things. So you walk in the room with all those gorgeous pictures.
You know, we also did a lot of DIYs. So do it yourself. Like how you did the box. What you do? It's a DIY. Do it yourself is too long.
What's the do it yourself in this one? Went to Hobby Lobby. It was a DIY.
You didn't even know what it was. Yes,
It was DIY. I painted it white. I filleted it with gold, and then we put teddy bear in it, so it was a very good accent of the room. And once that was down, what else?
It's a very little concept. Our crib and our changing table are both from Wayfair. They come from the Monarch Ivy collection, and they both are in gold. And we thought it was very form-fitting, especially for our daughter. Gold is like royalty. The changing table, as you can see, it has a diaper caddy. We have, you know, things for diaper rashes, baby powder. We have everything on there on the second level. And we also have the lactation cookies and lactation supplement. Everything is very at arm's reach, and we try to keep everything organized. We also try to keep it budget-wise. It was very price-friendly.
Budget-wise.
So, they can't. We chose a gold crib. The crib, she's able to grow into the crib as she gets older because it's like a 3-in-1 crib. So we're able to drop down the level of the crib, drop down the level of the bedding, so that she's able to grow into her toddler stage, and also as she gets into the child phase.
But it's a very beautiful crib. I think it's very girly like. Gold accent definitely fits the theme of the room. It definitely fits well with the changing table. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So our swivel chair, it also comes with an ottoman, and it comes from Bed Bath & Beyond, which we ordered. Inside the ottoman, I house everything that I need for my breastfeeding, including my pump.
So ottoman, I mean, just so y'all don't know what ottoman is, this is all new and fancy to me. Ottoman is where you store all the stuff inside the footrest, right? So for the guys, we call that a leg rest.
Okay.
So under the leg rest, you can open it up. And apparently when you open it up, you call it an ottoman, and there's things inside the ottoman that you can store.
So the dresser is from Wayfair, and it's ivory with gold accents. They have 6 compartments for us to put all of her clothing and little accessories, etc.
It's a lot of clothes.
Lots and lots of clothes.
Even right now, I mean, it's a lot of clothes that goes in there, and they're deep short. And I actually am the person who actually built the dresser. I'm not going to take all the credit and say that I built it from scratch. Like I cut out a tree, and I painted it white, and I built it, which pretty much is what happened.
I do give him a lot of credit because it took about 3 to 4 hours.
Hold on.
Yes, it did.
It took me like an hour and a half on this dresser, man. You would not put it on this camera. It's about an hour and a half. It's like I killed a lot of pieces. A lot of pieces.
Listen, it took both of us.
Both of us?
Yes, I helped you.
You passed me the screwdriver.
Well, I did something. He also did some customizations to the bookshelf as well.
I put the crib together. I put the change table together. I put the dress together. We took an old shelf.
We took 2 old shelves and we had them cut.
Right, and then we had it laid on the wall, painted white. Then I went to Hobby Lobby and bought I want to say it's like it matches the sheepskin carpet. It matches that same kind of fur. I took those thread pieces, I cut them out, and I laid it on the shelves to give it that dreamy feel on the bookshelves.
I love our closet. Our closet was custom made. How we have it set up, we got the whole idea from Pinterest. So as you can see, it's from 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, 6 to 9 months, and 9 to 12 months. So her clothes are already separated, and they have shelving on there, so we could also have storage.
And it matched totally what we saw online, which was a very unique concept. I think it goes very well with the room. It fits the ideal of having a princess, because I think you have the shelf set up where it's by age group, right?
Yeah.
So I think one side is like 0 to 3, and then one side is like 1 to, I don't know.
No, I just said it.
Oh,
Ken.
I wasn't paying attention to that part. It was like a princess's room. The shoes, down to the outfits, all came as gifts that came in from our family and friends. I would say that I have never seen a kid be so blessed with so many items in the room before they even get here.
We also decided to omit doors on the closet. We thought that the closet was beautiful, and we get so many compliments on it. It's very beautiful to look at just with outdoors. We decided to add sheer curtains, and we added little gold hooks at the end to hold the curtains. Our nursery, like I said, is very one of a kind. It's very dear to us, and we love it. Just the feel once you come in there sometimes makes me emotional, because it's just, we put so much hard work and dedication to it. We couldn't do it without you guys. Most of everything came from just our registries and just donations within gift cards from all of our friends and families, and our love and support from our social media family as well.
We hope that you enjoyed this video. We hope that you enjoyed the nursery. Like I said again, it was a nursery built out of love, so we definitely are happy it's finally done, and we're so happy, we're super excited to be able to share with you guys. So we'll give you some more videos once Nairobi is born. We can put in a nursery and we can show you how she interacts with this stuff. But once again, if you are not following us, make sure you hit the subscribe button, subscribe to our channel. Check us out, because next up will be our at-home water birth. Right? And we'll do some independent videos as well. I'll be doing some videos for some guys, and Kim will do some videos for you ladies.
Everything in the room, I picked it out. All of the ideas were my own. I did my research. I did reviews on all of the items before we actually purchased and put it inside of our room.
Picked out what?
I picked out everything to go together. Yes, I did.
So when you say pick out, right? So you didn't text me and say, hey, does this look good?
Did you not say, why did you buy all of this?
No, I said because the price of what pay for stuff. All right, we're not going to get into that.
Anyways.
You got to give me some credit. Even if you picked it, I'll put it together.